Hi, friends, it's Donzella. Thank you for coming and joining me in my kitchen today. Today, friends, I wanted something a little light, so I decided to make um, cranberry apricot chicken salad pita sandwich. And what we're going to use is in this bowl, I have some dried cranberries and apricots that I've diced up. These are organic dried apricots, regular cranberries. And then we're also going to use our main ingredient, since this is going to be quick and easy, is our Oscar Mayer carving board Southwestern seasoned grilled chicken breast strips. And that's because these are already seasoned and they're chopped up nicely. They're perfect for a simple chicken salad. And then I'm going to use these pita bread instead of regular bread. And what's going to make this a little different, I'm going to add some cheese to it. So friends, I had cranberries and apricots in my cupboard that I needed to use. And so this is how I am using what I have on hand to make this simple chicken salad. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our chicken. And I want to leave it kind of chunky. I don't want it too big, but I don't want it shredded up either. I don't want our chicken salad shredded up. So let's start there. And again, friends, this is that carving board Southwestern grilled chicken breast strips, seasoned very nicely. And then I already have my apricots and dried cranberries in my bowl. To this, I'm going to add some shredded four-state cheddar cheese. You add the cheese of your choice. If you want cheese, if you don't want cheese, you do not have to add cheese. This is just my twist on it. And we just want to mix all this together like so. And this is simple. This is all we're going to do. Our chicken's already seasoned. You can also use rotisserie chicken, or you can also cook your own and make this. Okay, friends, so to this, we're going to add just some mayo. It's regular mayo. If you don't want to use mayo, you can use some Greek yogurt, plain yogurt. That works well. Let me just mix this up. And since I'm using this the Southwestern seasoned chicken, I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash to it. And I like to use this Mrs. Dash chicken grilling blend. And that's because I like Mrs. Dash because it doesn't have any salt, but it has a lot of flavor. And no, I'm not promoted by these products. I just like to use these particular products. So let's mix this up. We just want to turn it. We don't want to shred up our chicken. A paper towel here. You just mix it up. You can also do this with tuna. You don't have to use chicken. So when our budget's tight and we want to come up with something, flavorful, delicious, easy to put together, what we have on our cupboard, pull out your tuna and use your tuna just like I'm using this chicken. So now, let's see if I have that. I'm just going to taste this. And this is usually really much better the next day. Also, you can add green onions to this if you like, celery if you like. But for this recipe today, this one is just very simple. Just some dried fruit, cheese, pre-seasoned, already cooked chicken, and my mayo, and some Mrs. Dash chicken grilling blend. I'm going to taste this just to see how we're doing here. And I like it because it's a little sweet and savory here. So that's pretty good, friends. You don't need to add anything else to this. And so now what we're going to do is build our sandwich. So here I have my pita pocket I've already cut in half. And so to this, I'm going to lay out, I have some romaine lettuce that's already been washed. I'm going to put that in our pita pocket here and try to be real careful. They're very fragile, so you don't tear it like I'm just doing here, but that's okay. So we'll put our lettuce in there. Maybe if I pick it up, I'll do better. Well, this one's split, friends. Let's try another one. And these are very, very, very delicate bread here. So this one's split a little bit, but not quite as bad as the other one. So let's put our lettuce in here. I like to put it down at the bottom because I'm also going to put some tomatoes in here. And to keep everything from dripping and getting my bread soggy, I'll put my lettuce down there first. Let's get a spoon. Let's put this mixture into our pita pocket like so. Okay, we'll set that aside. And I also have here on hand, I have some tomatoes that I have already sliced up, and I've sprinkled some of my Mrs. Dash onto my tomatoes. I'm going to stick some of those in here, just like that. And I also have some cucumbers here that I have already sliced and added a little Mrs. Dash seasoning, my chicken seasoning to that as well. Okay, there we are. So that's, if you want a little heartier sandwich, let's add a little bit more of our chicken to the top. Just like so. And there you have it, friends. We have this easy pita pocket, apricot cranberry chicken salad made with very few ingredients. So we'll put our sandwich here. And we can add a few tomatoes on the side for extra, a little extra salad on the side. We'll add a few cucumbers, extra. And if you want a little extra lettuce on there, let's put a little extra lettuce on there too. Let's make sure our chicken salad stays inside of our pita pocket. Here we go. And friends, this is really a nice light lunch, dinner, easy to make. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy simple, easy, budget-friendly recipes, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join me in my kitchen where we just have simple ingredients, lots of love to create delicious dishes. Again, friends, if you like dishes like this, subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, Ms Donzella Cooks. I would love for you to join me in my kitchen. And friends, have a blessed day.